There's a couple of ways to export the files from your DJI Action 5 to an external device like your computer or your phone. Let's start with the first one. There's three. First one is to open that little door and connect the USB-C connection to your computer. You will see this message. You have the choice between file transfer, webcam, or charging only, and it will always go back by default to the latest one you have selected if you do nothing in the 3 first seconds. So as I had choose file transfer, I now have those two icons on my computer over here. One is the Osmo Action, which is the internal memory, and the other one is the SD card, which is the SD card. So if I select the SD card over here, as you can see, I have the files into DCIM and DJI 001. Everything is in there. You only need the MP4 files, and sometimes you can also have WAV file if you selected that option to have it into backup. The other options, if you don't want to use that, yes, you can eject it, but I don't care. So I just remove that. The other option is to simply remove the SD card like that. Set it into an SD card reader. If you need one or you want an adapter, you can put it directly into your computer. However, with that solution, you won't have access to the internal memory of the camera, of course, but it's the same principle. The information is just right here. Let's put back that memory card inside the camera, because now we will see how to do it with the phone. So with the phone, very simple. You visit the DJI Mimo app. If the camera is just beside it, it should see it. Oh, actually, we will need to connect it. I'm gonna say join. We wait just a little bit, and then it is connected, and already we are into the library. If you're not directly into the library, you can go into album just right here, and you have all the video files. So I can take this one, for example. I now have a preview of it, and I can download it right over here. You see it says downloaded, and it's straight into the phone. If I go into the photo app, here we go. I've got the file right in the phone. So that was the three options. I hope this was helpful.